Hello, dear kids. Welcome to English. Today we will learn about the sound K. This is the letter C and its sound is K. Let's say the sound K 10 times.
K, 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 K.
Good job. Now let's say some words that starts with K. Camel,
Camel,
car,
girl, girl,
cow,
cow,
coat,
goat,
cookie,
cookie,
cat,
cat,
cake,
cake,
carrot,
carrot,
candle.
candle,
Let's add K to the words. Uki,
cookie,
app,
tap,
camel,
camel,
amp,
camp,
an,
can,
on,
corn,
ow,
cow,
clap time. Clap each word as you read according to the number of sounds. Cow,
cow,
cat,
cat,
cookie,
cookie,
candle,
candle,
camel,
camel,
carrot.
carrot.
Wow, that's all for today. And now let's draw these pictures and practice saying K sound. Happy learning. Bye bye.
Bye bye.